Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on this style of thermostat, if this is what you have in your apartment, how to use this and how to adjust it for heating and cooling based on what season we're in or what your needs are. So with this thermostat, a little different than some of the other ones, you've got a system button here. This system here will toggle between your auto setting, cool setting, you just keep pressing this button, heat setting, like I said, your cool setting, auto, and then here's how you turn your unit off. You just wait till the lights blink, you'll hear a little click, and then the unit turns off. Okay, to turn it back on, just press the button. You'll see the setting blink, and you just leave it there for a few moments, and it'll click, and it will turn on. All right. You can also adjust your fan setting from here. You'll see that the fan is set with auto, and it will tell you which speed it is set in. If you want to change that, you could set the fan from auto to just on, so it will continuously run the fan. You can do that. Otherwise, I recommend leaving it in the auto position. And then you can also adjust the fan speed manually as well. So right now it's in medium. You can press the speed button. You can set it in high. You can set it in low. Or like I said, leave it in the medium position. And that's purely preference at this stage. I'll talk about setting it in the low for electric heat in just a moment. To adjust your temperature of your room, you're going to look at a couple different things here. The number you see right here, that is the current room temperature. That is the current air temperature of your room. If you move your arrows up or down, you'll see the word set point, and you see the number changes based on how I'm pressing the arrow. That is the setting you're setting your apartment temperature for. So in this case, let's set it for 75 degrees. So now the system will put it in heat until it reaches 75 degrees, and then it will turn off. Since the system is in auto, if I change the setting down below the current air temperature, say 67 degrees, it will change the system over to cool, and your air conditioning will turn on. When the air conditioning system is running in the spring and the fall, for example, you can leave this setting just wherever you're comfortable in the room. Say you like your room at 72 degrees, you can leave it at 72, and your system will automatically switch between heating and cooling based on your temperature of your room. If you want to heat up your room, all you have to do is move your set point up. You set your set point higher, and it will automatically switch over to heat. And it will, you see here, it's on heat. Now, what I recommend when you're using the electric heat, when the air conditioning system is on, you can use the electric heaters built into your units to heat your apartments. I recommend changing your fan speed from medium to low. And the reason you want to change it to low is the electric elements that are inside your heater or inside your air conditioning unit, those electric elements work best with a low fan speed. It actually will warm up your apartment faster doing that. If you put it on high, the fan blows too high, and it blows all the air out of the electric elements, and it doesn't heat up your apartment very efficiently. Okay, so if you're going to use the heating setting, I recommend changing your fan speed to low. If you're using cooling, you can use whatever setting you want. It does not matter. Okay. So I'm going to change this back to medium right now. And then I'm going to adjust my settings back down. I don't need it 77 degrees in my apartment. So I'm going to change the settings back to 68 degrees. If you have any questions on this thermostat, if you have any questions on your thermostat, please reach out to the front desk. We can help. They can make a work order. We can come up. My maintenance team can come up and take a look, make sure everything is working correctly. Thank you. Have a good day.